Thank you for watching AI copywriting tools, and welcome to this look at how to use Google's Gemini AI and Nano Banana for free to start or grow your business. Here we teach you to tango with AI. So if you're learning to make money online and want to start a side hustle, or if you want to make your existing company more profitable, this video will show you how to get started with one of the most powerful free AI platforms, Google Workspace. Anytime you're logged into a Google Workspace Pro account, you'll see the Gemini AI symbol in the top right corner. On a free account, you won't see this, but you still have access to the free versions of Gemini and Nano Banana AI via the app menu, which is also in the top right corner. The two Google apps we'll be using from the free Google Drive account are Gemini AI and Google Vids. Here we are in the free version of the Gemini AI app. You can access this via the Gemini mobile app as well, but I prefer working on my computer most of the time. I just provided Gemini with a simple prompt about a woman brainstorming business ideas, and Nano Banana produced this high-quality image in seconds. Here's another high-quality image example with an entirely different style. I used descriptors like technopunk cyborg to achieve this aesthetic. The issue with creating images in the Gemini app is that it always adds a Gemini AI watermark in the bottom right corner. Not to worry, we can fix this with Google Vids. When you start a new project in Google Vids, it looks like this. The interface here changes over time, so you may need to click on the icon that says Generate, or Images, or something like that. That opens the Google Vids image generator and editor, which is one of the best ways to access Nano Banana. To remove the Gemini watermark, go to Insert on the top menu and select Upload. This will load the image into the studio space. Here we have our lovely image of an entrepreneur coming up with her next big project. Once we've selected Edit Image, again the exact buttons may change over time. We can enter a simple prompt explaining what we want to change about the image. In this case, I'll ask for a minor lighting adjustment and for the watermark to be removed. And here's our new version of the image, ready to go, with no watermark at all. We can right-click the image while previewing to download it, or choose to replace the current image or add it as a new image to the project. Let's take a look at another example of removing the watermark with Nano Banana and then add some other customizations to this video. To get this result, I simply prompted it to remove the watermark and add more color contrast between the robot, his clothing, and the background. See how much more the new image catches the eye. If you used something like this in an ad creative, you can bet the one with the red jacket would get more clicks. Now let's have some fun and see what happens when we ask Nano Banana to change the robot's main color to gold. Wow, that worked really well. I think this image is actually sharper than the original. You can use these types of prompts to create consistent characters for comic strips, book covers, and anything else you need to sell online. It's easy to use the power of Nano Banana to add value to your existing products or to boost your marketing and advertising creatives. Now, let's switch over to Google's Gemini app and think about some of the ways we can use it to boost our marketing and sales. Even in the free version of Gemini AI, you can use and create custom gems. Custom gems are like the Google Gemini version of the custom GPTs you find on ChatGPT. This makes it much easier to write in a consistent brand voice and target specific audiences with your content and copy. If you use the Pro version of Google Workspace, which I'll link to in the description, you can even share custom gems with your co-workers. Two of the most powerful features of Gemini AI, and two of my personal favorites, are Deep Research and Canvas Mode. Deep Research allows you to pull data from 50 to 100 or more pages across the web, synthesizing information that would take months to compile manually in a matter of minutes. Canvas Mode is the perfect tool for turning all that data into high-value, low-cost products like ebooks. But it doesn't stop there. You can make a lot more than ebooks in Gemini's Canvas Mode. You can also have the AI code web pages and basic apps for you, all while previewing and interacting with them live in the editor. People call this vibe coding, and it's a fast way to turn pages of dreary information into a gamified app custom-tailored to your customers' needs. Look what happens when I ask Gemini to turn the article it wrote based on 50 pages of research into a formatted blog post using HTML and CSS code. And this is only the beginning. Gemini AI can create advanced JavaScript functions which would take most people years to learn. It's important to understand how things work before you go to production. But thanks to vibe coding apps like Gemini's Canvas, it's never been easier to test and create new digital products. In the past, it would have taken dozens of paid staff hours, if not more, to research and produce simple digital products like an ebook, an online course, or a custom web app. Now, one person can do all of the above in a matter of hours using Gemini AI. And I've still only scratched the surface. Soon, I'll publish videos that delve deeper into the potential of Gemini AI and Google's other AI apps, including Notebook LM, Veo, and some that are still in development in Google Labs. But even with only Gemini's deep research and Canvas modes, we can create products to effectively test business and offer ideas. I explore all kinds of topics with deep research every week, and whenever I'm particularly interested in learning something, I turn it into a gamified app. I'm thinking about developing one of them further and testing it as a business idea. There are so many possibilities with AI tools like Gemini and Nano Banana. I'd love to know what you're working on with AI tools right now, or what your plans are for the future. Leave me a comment and I'll do my best to reply with any helpful advice that comes to mind. Now, let's review what we covered in this video. Even if you just have a free Google Drive account, which is included in every free Gmail account, you can access the Gemini AI and Google Vids apps when logged into your Google account on desktop. You can also access Gemini via the mobile app on your smartphone. In the Gemini app, whether free or paid, whether on a computer or a mobile device, you can do research, generate text and high-quality images, and even code apps and web pages. Deep research is the best way to compile lots of data quickly, and Canvas mode is the best way to turn your data into something people will want to buy. Images from Nano Banana can be created via the Gemini AI app or via Google Vids, and any watermarks can be removed in the image editor in Google Vids. When you put a lot of data into a presentable format like an ebook, an educational app, or an online course, people will be happy to pay up to $100 for it, if the information is good and valuable to them, and presented in the right context. If you'd like to easily access, use, and copy all the AI prompts I used in this video, and all my other favorite AI prompts for business, visit the landing page linked in the description. If you sign up for my email list, I'll send you free access to the Google Sheets straight away. You can go to File, Make a Copy, to copy the sheet to your own Google Drive, or File, and then add Shortcut to Drive if you want to bookmark the page in your Drive. You can also bookmark it normally in your browser, and feel free to share it with anyone you know who needs AI prompts for growing their business online. I'd appreciate it if you also link them to some of my videos, but I understand if the spreadsheet is all they need. Thanks again for watching AI copywriting tools. Please remember to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions or want to request a specific tutorial. I'm always interested in having a conversation with you. See you again soon.